In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Android keyboard not working on your phone. Anyways, getting into it, if your keyboard fails to appear on your Android phone, it is usually due to a temporary software glitch or a background process conflict. And this can be frustrating when you're trying to manage your daily production for anything or just working, anything like that. What you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go ahead and scroll down to apps. Once you're in apps, go ahead and press this little icon with the down arrow and make sure show system apps is enabled. Then go ahead and press OK. Now search for your keyboard. You want to either search for Samsung keyboard or Gboard, basically whatever you're using. So in this instance, we'll just go over and find Gboard. So obviously just go over to G, find Gboard and go ahead and click on it. Then on the bottom right, tap force stop, press OK and see if that works. If it doesn't work while you're still here, I can go ahead and scroll down and click storage, and then I'm going to go ahead and click clear cache, which should as a result reduce or fix any lag or invisible keyboard issues instantly. After that, you should be good to go. Now if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.